So this is our first question to write a program. That is rewrite your pay computation to give the employees 1.5 times the hourly rate for hours worked above 40 hours. यानी कि जो एम्प्लॉयज़ 40 घंटे से ऊपर काम कर रहे हैं तो जो 40 घंटे के ऊपर का जो टाइम है उनका रेट 1.5% बढ़ाकर हमको देना है। उसके लिए हमको एक कंपटीशन प्रोग्राम लिखना है। तो लेट्स स्टार्ट। फर्स्ट वी टेक इनपुट फ्रॉम द यूज़र। Input we asking for the hours. Let's see an example. Let's say hours equal to input enter hours. Let's take another input that is rate. Okay. Sorry. Input enter rate. Okay, this is our input, and let's see define a variable that is equal to 40. This is our 40 hours. This is a variable, and let's see if statement if hours is greater than a, if hours is greater than a, then let's take another variable y is equal to y equal to we done a spelling mistake here. Hours okay, hours minus a. Okay, then we print according to the formula. We have to give the payment with increase of 1.5 rate. So first a is equal to a plus y into 1.5 a into y into a plus y into 1.5, and then we have to take another bracket into 10, because here the rate rate we have rate here. Okay. If hours is less than x, less than a or equal to a, then we just print hours into sorry this is done. Let's make it interactive. So this is your today's payment. Don't forget to take a comma here, and I think also here. Let's check it out. We got a error, invalid syntax. Yeah, we have to take this input as an integer. I hope you'll enjoy this learning from our mistakes. Okay, and let's again run it. Another mistakes, and that is I think they tell us to not use this bracket. Let's again run it, and I think this time we got enter. Let's wait. Enter. Sorry, 50, 20, 45 hours, and we enter the rate at 10. Then this is the today's payment is sorry. This is I forgot. This is your I think we done some mistakes here, and the mistakes is because our calculation is not equal to this calculation. Yeah, we done mistake here of brackets. Sorry. Okay, again this time we got the right answer 45, and let's take rate of 10. Yeah, now our answer is correct. We can take more examples. Let's say I print hours 50 hours, and it is 15. Our answer is this, and if you want to run our second if, then less than 23 is less than 40, and it is anything 21. This is your today's payment is for here not and floating. Okay, so this is good. I hope you're enjoying, and let's close this video. Thank you so much.